Hi, thanks for watching this video from the Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have the mini diesel all four. So we've taken this in from a local female customer. So we don't normally deal in minis. We have had a couple of these before though, and would it been a 4-wheel drive? I think they're quite popular. So really good condition for the age and mileage. There's no major marks on the bodywork to point out or anything. It's recently been serviced. It's also recently had a transfer box, which is a very expensive job on these. That was refurbed. Really good spec on it as well. So it's got the bigger wheels, got the privacy glass. We'll put all the spec and details on the advert, but it's the auto as well. Electric windows, multifunction steering wheel, paddles, centre armrest, heated seats. So yeah, really is quite a well presented thing. I'll just see what the mileage is now. Mileage has just turned 110,524. It's just flashing up because I've not got my foot on the brake to try and start it. Got xenon headlights as well. Got all the owners manuals, handbooks, 2 sets of keys. It's HPI motorcheck clear with report. As all our cars do, it'll have 12 months MOT, and we supply it with a parts and labour warranty as well. As always with all our cars, we do viewing by appointment only. So if you'd like to arrange a viewing or a test drive, just give us a ring or drop us an email. You can also reserve any vehicle with a small reservation fee as well. Thanks for watching.